Hello everyone, welcome to Blues Economics. In this video, I'll discuss some of the important differences between microeconomics and macroeconomics. So before we going to start discussing the differences, let us first see the definitions of microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics is basically the study of the particulars or the individual units of an economy. It studies the economic units at the household levels, such as an individual consumer, an individual farm or industry, the price of a single product or commodity, the wage of a particular labor, etc. But macroeconomics is the branch which studies the economic units at the level of large. So it studies the economy at the aggregate level, such as the performance or the structure of the entire economy, or the behavior and the decision making of the entire economic system as a whole, rather than analyzing it at the individual levels. So it studies the inflation, unemployment, general price level, etc. Now let us see the differences. The first difference is the word micro from the term microeconomics has been derived from the Greek word mikros, that means small. So, microeconomics deals with the small economic variables of the economy. But the word macro from the term macroeconomics has been derived from the Greek word macros, meaning large. So, macroeconomics deals with the large economic units of the economy. The second difference is that microeconomics deals with the individual economic variables, such as an individual consumer, an individual farm or industry, the price of a single product, income of a person or wage of a particular labor, etc. But macroeconomic deals with the aggregate economic variables, such as the national income of the whole economy, the per capita income of the population, the general price level of all the goods and services in the economy, etc. Now, the third difference is that microeconomics is applied to the operational or the internal issues of the individual economic units, but macroeconomics is applied with the environmental or the external issues as it deals with the aggregate economic variables of the economy, such as the balance of payment of the whole economy, the growth and development rate of the country, etc. The fourth difference is that the scope of microeconomics are individual demand and supply, price of a single product, single factor pricing, welfare of an individual farm, etc. But the scope of macroeconomics are the national income, general price level, inflation, etc. The fifth difference is that the objective of microeconomics on the demand side is to maximize the utility of the individual economic units, such as an individual consumer, and on the supply side is to maximize the profit at the minimum cost, maximize the profit of the individual farms and industries. But the objective of macroeconomics are to achieve full employment, to have a stable price, to do economic growth, and to have a favorable balance of payment of the economy. The next difference is that microeconomics is based on the assumptions concerned with the rational behavior of individuals, as it deals with the individual economic units. But the assumptions of macroeconomics are based on such variables as the aggregate volume of the output of the economy, with the extent to which its resources are employed, with the size of the national income, and with the general price level. So, these were some of the important differences between microeconomics and macroeconomics. So this is for all today. I hope this video has helped you to understand the main differences between microeconomics and macroeconomics. Thank you.